The Israeli ambassador also took the opportunity to thank the Thai government for facilitating Israelis and ensuring their safety during their stay in Thailand.
The government has expressed hope that the public forum on the 21st round of petroleum concession bidding today would encourage participants to express their opinions creatively. Permanent Secretary to the Prime Minister's Office, Mamluang Panatda Disakun, had instructed the 700-seat forum to be broadcast live from 9:30 a.m. to noon via the National Broadcasting Services of Thailand, or NBT. Deputy Permanent Secretary for Energy, Kuruchit Nakorntap, sat on the government's panel, while several known figures, such as Thirathai Puwanat Naranuban, Mamluang Kornkasiwat Kasemsi, and Rasanato Takun were among the public participants. Each side were given 90 minutes to speak. The forum was aimed at identifying a responsible party and a law to govern the energy concession. However, no official conclusion will be made at the end of the forum, as the objective of the session was to garner views, ideas, and expressions only.
The National Legislative Assembly, or the NLA, have unanimously agreed to implement the Martial Court Act of 1955, stressing that only civilian violating lèse-majesté law or threatening national security should be subjected to military custody.